So like I told you, if you want to copy from one team to another, you have to create a dummy page. Dummy page means the page you can delete that you don't need anymore. You can delete anytime once you are done with what you want to use it for. So I want to use, you can create any page and name it anyone. So I can name it name self. I can name it name. So I want to copy from one team to another. Sure you understand. I want to copy this area, this particular area, this particular area. I don't need this live chat, the get code. I need this place where they can, if they want to reach us or our office address. I only need it, but I don't have it on the layout I install. So I want to copy it from this layout to my home. So now let's go to the page we created now. Now I name it and click on edit. Please pay attentive to this area where so that we won't repeat it again. Pay attentive to this area. So click on use GV builder and click on load layouts. We do it as if we want to install any layout. So I've already know the name of the teams I'm looking for that I want to copy from is IT something. IT I think this is the team. Is it this one? IT service. Let me see if I can see another IT. I think it's this. So I can let me check it first. Let me check it first. Okay, this is the thing. So I want to copy this particular area now. So I will click on use this layout. Now the team has uploaded successfully. Normally I don't need to update it unless I've copied what I want to copy, but I don't. Let me do it like this. So if I go to my home page now, you will see the name I created now. Can you see this is it? If I click on it, it will show exactly the thing I want to. So now in this area, let me go straight to where I want to copy. I think it is the last element on this layout. Can you see it is the last element? Just go down. So now I want to copy it. So now I think this is the area now. This is the area of the team I want to copy. This is the area. So click on this back settings. Click on this back setting. Click on save to the library. Just name it. How can I name it? Let me name it Akinola. And save. And I will update. For you to check what to save, if it has been saved successfully, just click on add from library. You can see can you see add from library? So now I can delete all this page now. I can delete it now. Delete. delete, 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 and delete, delete. So can you see now? Let's go back to this name now. You don't see any element there again. Can you see? I've deleted everything. So in case you will still need to add some picture from another thing, you can delete it from your page. You can delete this page now, or you leave it until you finish everything. But I don't need it anymore. I don't need it anymore. I will delete this page now. So I will go back to my pages, all pages, and I will click on name and click on trash. So I've deleted it now. Can you see? Let's refresh my page. Let me refresh it. Can you see? It has been deleted successfully. So now I want to apply it to the area I need the layout now. Click on add new pages and click on home page. This is our home page because we are working right on our home page. So I want this to be at the bottom of this page, bottom of this 30 days of free hosting. So now, and that 30 days of free hosting is our last element here, which is this place now. So I will just add from library, and I click on Akinola and click on update. Click on update. So let me refresh my page now. Can you see now? Can you see? So I can now edit my own address to my own. I can now edit this address now to my own. So I want to edit this address now. I'll just go back here, and click here. Office address. And change it to Tokyo. Number 19. Kelly Street. Okay, Ayepe. Okay, Ayepe. Osogbo area. Osun State. So, and click on update. So once you edit this one to I made this area, these hours of the working hour, you can edit it. So let me change this phone number to mine. So click on update. And I notice some of you, if I don't click on your home page, I won't see what you have been done so far. So for you to make your home page static, so that whenever you click on your logo, if I click on my logo now, this logo now, it will take me back to my home page. If I click here, it will take me back to my home page. For you to make your home page static, just click on settings. Click on settings. You can see settings and click on readings. So you select your home page here and click on status and save. I think you understand me now. Select your home page here, click on statics page and save. We will meet in the next video. Thanks.